Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Once Human getting stuck on the loading screen, whether it freezes, keeps checking for patch files, or just won't start at all. First, open your Steam app, then close it completely, not just by pressing the X button. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen, click the little arrow icon to show hidden apps, right-click Steam, and select Exit Steam. Now, to make sure Steam is fully shut down, right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. In the search bar at the top, type Steam. If anything related to Steam is still running, click it and hit End Task. Once that's done, go back to your Windows search bar, type Steam, then right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Enter your admin PIN if asked. This step is crucial because running Steam with admin rights fixes permission issues that often cause the loading screen bug. After Steam reopens, go to your library, find Once Human, then right-click it and select Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan your installation, fix any corrupted or missing files, and re-download what's needed. When that's complete, restart Steam again, and then try launching Once Human. It should load normally this time without getting stuck. And that's it. That's how you fix Once Human stuck unloading screen on Steam. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.